Hi, it's Danny. Welcome to a short video demonstrating how I like to do exercise sometimes, which is with my eyes closed. This is because it drives my attention, my body awareness into my center. So I'm not overusing my eyes to balance, to stand on one leg, even to lift weights. And in this case, to do some basic boxing training. So I've got the aqua bag here, medium sized, about 70 pound. There's smaller, there's larger, a normal punch bag. A speed ball will be great fun. The floor to ceiling ball, sometimes called a double end bag, would work great for this as well. Maybe a minute or two round, different techniques, eyes closed the whole time. Another thing this teaches me is when I'm not punching from my center. Because with my eyes open, I'm more likely to hit it. Now, if this is swinging and moving and I go to hit and I punch without being in my center, I'm more likely to topple, more likely to swing and lose my center of balance, my core training. Martial arts, golf, tennis, much of life, ideally we move from the midline and from the center, three-dimensionally from the center. So let's see how this goes, and I think I'll put the microphone down for this and do a voiceover instead. So coming up is a slow-mo of a right jab, completely missing, right underneath, but keeping my center, keeping my balance, not overreaching. And the next slow-mo here is a right jab with a left reverse, both completely missing, ducking, coming back in. Bit short on some of these, but not missing. And then coming up is a big right reverse, completely misses. Then a couple of good solid shots that land, and a big left uppercut that misses. But straight back to guard, straight back to center, keeping that nice awareness. Okay, moving from the center. This would be great as part of a sequence. I'm going to do some farm track sprints here, drop in some press ups, perhaps do 5 rounds. Minute or two on the bag, short rest, sprint for about a minute, up and down, or fast running at least. Back to push ups. If we do 5 rounds of that, it's probably a 20-minute routine. Great interval, great cardiovascular fitness. I won't be sprinting with my eyes closed, but the bag work, the push-ups, even some chin-ups. Yeah, could do some upper body training, working with the eyes closed, relaxing the eyes, not relying on the eyes, putting more awareness to that internal sense of balance, core muscles, connective tissues, nervous system, proprioception, brain through to ankles, through the core, back to the brain. On some level, please give this a go, and thank you for watching.